In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to save a section in Squarespace. This is an incredibly useful tool that can help streamline your workflow and ensure you're making the most of your website building experience. Whether you're a seasoned Squarespace user or just starting out, knowing how to save a section can save you both time and effort in the long run. Let's dive right in. First things first, you'll want to head over to your Squarespace website editor. Simply log into your Squarespace account and from your dashboard, select the website you wish to work on. Once you click through, you're in the heart of the website editor. It's here that you'll find all the tools and options available for crafting your site's pages. The editor is your starting point for saving any section, so make sure you're comfortable navigating this area. Now that we're in the editor, it's time to choose a section you want to save. Browse through your existing pages, identifying the section that you wish to keep for future use. A section can be anything from a text block, an image gallery, to a special layout you've put together. Take your time to decide on a section you find yourself frequently needing, or one that represents a particularly effective piece of your site's design. Selecting the right section will help improve not just your current project, but any future projects as well. With your section selected, the next step is to save it. In the Squarespace editor, look closely at the section's options and you'll notice a small heart icon or a save button. Click this heart or save button. By doing so, you're telling Squarespace to remember this particular section as a saved layout. This might feel like a small action, but it's incredibly powerful when you want to maintain consistency or repurpose designs across multiple pages or even multiple sites within Squarespace. That's it! You've now successfully saved a section in Squarespace. This saved section is now tucked away, ready and waiting for the next time you need it. The beauty of this feature is in its simplicity and the efficiency it brings to your workflow. By saving sections, you can quickly build cohesive and visually appealing sites without needing to recreate your favorite layouts from scratch each time. So, to recap quickly, start by navigating to your website editor. Choose a section you want to reuse, and then click on the heart or save button. With these steps, you're well on your way to becoming a more efficient Squarespace user. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Don't forget to like this video if you learned something new, and subscribe for more tips and tricks on mastering Squarespace. Thanks for watching.